Aspen Assay Management contains an assay library of over 700 crudes from various regions around the world. The assays are fully characterized and can be used directly to model crudes in your refinery. You can search the library for assays by name or filter it by region, country, API gravity, and more. You can also import standard assay file formats into Aspen Assay Management. Supported formats include AspenTech, DOE, Statoil, Total, BP, and ExxonMobil file formats, among others. If you have multiple assays of the same format, you can import them all at once. Aspen Assay Management allows you to download assays directly from ExxonMobil, Total, Statoil, and the United States Department of Energy. You can filter by data source, region, and country, and download any desired assays for characterization and use in your simulation. To begin, start a new case and then click the Petroleum Assays folder in the navigation pane. Click the New Assay pull-down window and select to import from the library of assays built into Aspen Assay Management. We haven't created an assay-compatible components list, so HYSYS prompts us to create one. Select Assay Components Celsius to 850 degrees Celsius. This creates a Pang-Robinson fluid package that's attached to a component list containing common light ends and hypos up to 850 degrees Celsius. Now, you can see the Assay Library window. This window contains the full list of assays you can filter by region, country, or physical properties. You can also filter by searching for a specific assay name. Let's search for the Arabian Medium 2012 assay. Select it and click OK to bring that assay into the case. Once this is complete, the assay data will be automatically imported and used to create the property slate for the component list selected earlier. This assay is now ready for use in a refining case. If we add our own assay, we will have to characterize the assay. Create a new assay as we did earlier, but this time select the option to import from a file. Aspen Assay Management can import many standardized assay formats, including those used by Statoil, BP, Total, and more. The assay we will be importing is the AspenTech format, so select AspenTech from the assay file format dropdown, then click the plus icon and find the assay file. Once you've found the file, click Import. Our assay is called Demo1, so select it and click Import. Now that the assay data is imported, we can characterize the assay to be able to use it in our simulation. Select the arrow next to the Characterize button and select Match Assay Cut Properties. This will tell the solver to prioritize fitting the parameters for the individual cuts, rather than those of the whole crude. Now that the characterization is complete, we can use this crude in our simulation. If there were any large discrepancies between the input assay data and the characterized results, Aspen Assay Management would highlight them in yellow. For example, if the characterization results predicted that the sulfur concentration in the whole crude was significantly higher than 0.14%, the corresponding cell in the result summary would be highlighted yellow. The same applies to other characterization results, though in this case the characterization results closely match the input data. We can analyze the characterized results using the plots that are built into Aspen Assay Management. If we click the distillations plot, we can see that the characterized distillation curve fits the input data nicely. Let's look at the cut yields. Go back to the Conventional Results tab and click on the Cut Yields plot. Here we can see how much of each cut the crude is projected to yield. We can also plot other properties such as viscosity. Go back to the Conventional Results tab and select the kinematic viscosities at 40 and 60 degrees. Once they are selected, press the Viscosities button. This plots the kinematic viscosities at 40 and 60 degrees for an entire assay distillate range.